Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're all packed ready to go. This is my amazing hotel, the Hotel Grandview. What a stay I've had here. Amazing people, and they're all lined up here to say goodbye to me. Just incredible. We're heading for Pokhara today, but it's 7.5 Google Maps hours, and that's to do 200 kilometers. So I'm excited to see what sort of roads I'm riding. But for now, I'm going to head out to those roads. What a morning, guys, what a morning. Well, we're about an hour in. I'm already sore, but look where I am, guys. Incredible. What a morning. Having my first break for the day. Drinking Sprite, so that's twice now you've seen me drinking sugary stuff. These are all my new mates. Look where I am, guys. Just beautiful. And we're about nearly 2 hours in, so we've got about 4.5 hours to go. Google Maps hours, that is. I'm about halfway now. Look where I am, guys. Unbelievable, really. This is what I've been riding through all morning. The river down here, I'm not sure. Oh yes, you can see it. Been just having a cup of tea and a bit of a break. Let my butt off that seat for a bit. Then we'll head up the road a bit. Like I said, I'm halfway. I've got about 3 hours Google Maps time left. So we'll see how I go. I don't feel like stopping yet, but I might feel like stopping in an hour or so. We'll see how we go. Might even get to Pokhara today, but I doubt it. That was a yummy cup of tea. Let's get a few more miles up. Maybe in another hour start looking for a hotel. Well, we just turned off the main highway onto this. I'm excited. We've got about 3 hours to go, 100 kilometers. It's amazing, guys, really. What a day. Oh, what a day. And middle of nowhere, found a nice cold soda water, so I'm going to have a bit of a break, give my butt a bit of a rest from that bike seat, and then we'll get some more miles up. It's about maybe 2.5 hours to go. I might stop at about 2 hours if I find somewhere nice, or I might feel like keeping going. We'll see. Oh, got a fan going up here, and cold soda water, and a beautiful, amazing country to be riding in. Fueled up, got a full tank of fuel. I don't have to worry. Worst comes to worst, I'll get all the way to Pokhara with this tank. Just beautiful, guys. It's been a pretty bumpy dirt road since I got that turn off, but just amazing. Look at this country, incredible. If you look at my jacket, my pants, you'll get an idea of what today's been like. Dusty, rough. I've done about 5.5 hours Google Maps time though, and I'm only an hour Google Maps from Pokhara. I keep going past guest houses, but I don't want to stop. But we'll see. I'll get as far as I can. When I've had enough, I'll stop, but I could very well get to Pokhara. It's only 3:30. So even if it's 2 hours, it's 5:30, I'll arrive. It says 1 hour's Google Maps time, but this road is atrocious. I'm so glad it's not wet, because there's big long sections of what we call in Australia bull dust. When that stuff gets wet, yeah, there you go, you can see it blowing past me doing that truck went past. When that stuff gets wet, it's like a skate rink. What a day, guys. Anyway, I'm going to keep going. I hope I'll get to Pokhara today. day. That was 9 hours, 9 hard hours. But I'm here, and I could have stopped somewhere, but I just kept on riding. Every time I saw a hotel, I thought, no, I'll keep on going. So I'm here, Pokhara. I'll do a bit of exploring tomorrow, but this is a pretty famous city, one of the more famous tourist places in Nepal. Yeah, right now I'm on the hunt for some food and things. Looks like this is where I'm having dinner, right across here. Well, how lucky was I, guys? If it had been this weather yesterday, that would have been an even worse ride. Well, worse, I shouldn't say that, because I had an amazing day yesterday, but it would have been a lot harder if all that bull dust was mud. I'm going to do a bit of editing this morning. I'm feeling a bit sore after yesterday, so a bit of rain's an excuse not to do anything today. Well, this morning anyway. Let's hope it clears up this afternoon. Go and check out Pokhara, and this is kind of like the Queenstown in New Zealand, or the Sung Hill in Colombia, Aguas de Baños in, I think it's called, in Ecuador. You can go bungee jumping here, you can go abseiling, you can go whitewater rafting. It's kind of the adventure sports capital. But we'll have a look around. I've got another 2 nights here. I can always book in a bit more. I'm thinking there's a highway goes up into the mountains not far from here. So I'm thinking when I leave here I might head up into actually the Himalayas and see how I go. I was just talking to a guy at breakfast, and he reckons during monsoon season it's impossible, but the impossible just makes it more fun. But we'll see. I'll make up my mind closer to the day. But yeah, there's a bit of sun over there, so maybe this will clear up shortly. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Well, the rain stopped, and the good thing about it is it's washed a lot of the dust and mud off of Libby, so I don't have to do it. Now, I'm not going to do much today. I'll do a big day tomorrow. I've got a little mate here who wants to be on film. Say hello. And yeah, so today I'm just going to have a bit of a wander. There's a lake just down the road here, main Pokhara Lake. So we'll go down and check that out. See what else there is to see around where I am. I found the lake, but how I get to it from here? Oh, I found how I get to it from here. Now, there's a fun park just next door here. I'll show you in a minute. See the Ferris wheel and a few things there. But guys, look at this. This is Lake Pokhara. Look at this, guys. Even with the bit of a mist in the air today, there's guys abseiling over there, taking off from the shore, so there must be a big updraft. Must be a really big updraft. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, guys. I'm gonna turn this off for a minute and zoom in. So I don't know if you can see it, but just over there it's an abseiler. He's just taken off, or just about to take off, but his sail's up. Guys, this really is amazing. Got the fun park just here. Wow, look at this lake, guys. Temples on top of the hill there, something else on top of the hill over here. Just incredible. Sorry about the sunglasses, guys. It is really bright, even with the clouds. What a beautiful little town. I can't wait to explore properly tomorrow. But today I'm just having a bit of a wander around the town. It's a real sort of hippie town. Restaurants like this one here, bars all over the place. The waterfront there at the lake that I showed you. And lots of hotels. Lots and lots of hotels. But again, we are here during monsoon season, so not too many tourists, but I have seen more white faces I've seen here than I've seen for a while. Well, it's a bit like a mini Bali here. Massage spas and tattoo shops everywhere. Well, there's 3 or 4 tattoo shops anyway, but there's massage spas everywhere. I'm not going to bother, even though I am a bit sore from all this riding, especially from yesterday. It's a bit hard to pay $30 or $40 for a massage when you've been through Indonesia paying 10. And looking for some food. Where I'm staying is a pretty touristy area, and when I went yesterday looking for food was a touristy spot, but this is a lot more local today. Going for a bit of a wander. Let's see what I can find. But I really like Nepal, guys. Everything about it. Friendly, happy people, beautiful country. The roads could be a bit better, but it wouldn't be as much fun. It wouldn't be as exciting if the roads were perfect. And they have a noodle soup all over in Nepal called thukpa. Is it thukpa? How do you say thukpa?
Thukpa, yeah.
Chicken thukpa. So that's what I'm going to try for dinner. I love noodle soup, so I've got to try it at least once. And my first thukpa. And this is Southeast Asia noodle soups. Let's see what this one's like. Oh, really good. Really good. Oh, now that was really good. It was more like momo noodles, so it was more like pasta than Asian noodles, but really good. Let me see what else I can find now. If I can't find anything else, that was enough, but I'm feeling a little hungry today. That was an incredible couple of days. The ride up here, unbelievable, and Pokhara, what a beautiful spot, that lake. Anyway, guys, I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.